going on. But it's all been potent. I will see you.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got this big boom behind us and we're pouring the concrete for the ring on our bag. These guys are going to try and get this seal as smooth as possible because the bag will go over the top of that. So a little bit like a bigger version of one of these two gas holders that we've got. The big concern is just trying to get it smooth because otherwise it could leak the gas out, so which I think it probably will at first, and we'll have lots of fun and games with sealant trying to seal the points where there might be a little bit of imperfection in the concrete and the steel bar that clamps the bag down can't be flexible enough. So yeah, that's what we're doing at the moment. We've had 3 loads so far. We've probably done about a third of it, or a quarter maybe, and we'll keep bringing the loads in through the day. Okay guys, so it's all been poured now and we're giving it as smooth a finish as we possibly can because we're going to put the bolts in next stage here and then clamp the bag over. So the real problem about this, I've just now been told by the guy who's selling me the bag, is that it's quite difficult to seal onto concrete. I thought they'd put some mastic down or something, which is what he said he's going to have to do, but he still says it's quite a problem. So I got a feeling that even once we get this dome up onto this, we're going to be having some fun and games trying to make sure we've got a gas tight seal across this concrete ring. You know, in theory, like all things, you know, AD isn't super complicated, but just the practicalities of the job, the little things that just take a long time to get right. And I've got a feeling we're going to have some problem sealing, because when we did that tank, there's slabs laid on top and L forms, that's how they made that. That had quite a few sealing issues. It took a little bit of time to get that resolved. So yeah, I think we're going to have lots of fun trying to get this bag sealed. But anyway, there we are. The pump's off. We had 8 loads in here of 9 cubes or so. And yeah, it's lunchtime now, so he started at sort of 7, 8. It's quite a quick pour for all that. And yeah, we couldn't have done it without that machine. So yeah, good stuff. It's a good bit of concrete there. Right, there she goes. Off for the next job, back to HS2, I think. Okay guys, so the concrete ring has all gone off now. We put those pipes in for our heating coils. It's actually safe to walk on now. It's pretty smooth, but you know, I wouldn't mind giving it a little bit of a grind. I can feel just ever so slight little bumps and imperfections on this. So we'll probably get a sander and grind that all back to make a really nice smooth finish, because sealing gas is always very hard, and this is going to be the gas inside here. And then we've got, this is the level we took off where the old stirrer sat. So I'm going to have to pull back this plastic and then grind this all smooth. It's quite bobbly through there. But otherwise, that's done. 100 tons of concrete, which is the uplift pressure on the bag. If you multiply the area by the uplift, which normally the bag will run at 10 millibar, or I think, sorry, 20 millibar. Yeah, it's 10 millibar. The max I've given it is 20 millibar, which means 100 tons of upward pressure. So that should give us enough downward hold on this ring. So there we go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, guys. Cheers.